We have a number of cameras here. The GoPro shooting video to the Osmo Action and the Action 3 that is in the on state. If I wanted to get off of the connected, I cannot. So if we click on the side button or this button, we are not able to switch out unless we either pull the cable or turn the camera off entirely. You hear the ding, turn it back on, and cancel to bypass the webcam and the computer. What we're going to go do in here is swipe down, and we're going to look at the cog. We're going to look at a number of settings. GoPros, anything, it's not good to show close-up, and I had to move my camera just a little closer to demonstrate. We have snapshot. We have single screen, voice control. I'm not going to read it all. Scuba diving, OTG, a wireless connection, video compression, sounds, grid, auto flicker, time code, naming management, screen off when recording, auto power off, LED, horizon calibration, continue last live stream, language, date, time, format, factory reset, and device information, and compliance information. Nowhere do we see something of chaptering to enable and disable and a number of other things in the camera. But we have here is the turn on of the Osmo Action. You notice I got a 30% right now. I'm going to swipe down. A little issue with the screen blocking my fingers going to different areas. We're going to read all this information again to you and stop when we come to one particular one that was excluded with all the firmwares right now, and only in the EU, the European, overseas, and North America is different. I don't think they are different, it's just the way they are. Voice control, snapshot, quick switch, wireless connection, wind noise reduction, sound, face orientation exposure. Do we have that? Face orientation exposure? I don't think we even had that. You can go back. I didn't even see that in there. I guess that's missing, and nobody cares about that. They rather just argue to themselves about off topic. Grid, anti-flicker, temperature threshold. We have here is temperature threshold, high and low. What does this do? Well, right now, if I kept it on low and I went to shoot video, this would protect the chip and all the components in the camera and shut down a lot sooner than doing its recording. So why would you want to cut your power down on the Action 3? While the GoPro itself has it built in to a temperature of over 143 degrees, that they increase it just a couple of degrees. Well, Action 3 has it too. There is a sensor built in, and it will adjust accordingly to the temperature, meaning if it hits that maximum, it's going to protect your camera. It's going to go to your camera's overheating, the screen is going to shut down, and then it's going to just continue to record until the camera fully shuts down. If you keep it on high, that's what's going to happen. High will be the maximum amount of use. I talk more than I write more. So I hope this video was helpful to you, of just showing you of what is there and what is not.